and accountable manager AIS. He has had a long aviation innings. He had his education with the Patiala College and took his basics license on Pushpak aircraft in 1985. Thereafter, he joined Vaidut as trainee AV. After a couple of years in Vaidut, he has moved to Indian Airlines as a technician. The first time I got to meet him was when we were doing the JTAD course together. याद है सर? पहली बार वहीं पे introduction हुआ था. Thereafter, he went on to take his engine license, and he was a bit unlucky to be posted to engine shop. Lucky. You were having 77 ANC, na?
Yeah.
77 ANC, and in 1993 you were posted to line maintenance for about a couple of months when everyone was doing 320 course in 1993. And thereafter he remained in the engine shop. He went on to take the IASA and FAA approval for the engine shop. After leaving the engine shop, he was looking after the base maintenance and the shops in Delhi. During that period, he took his A320 complete B1 license. Thereafter, he became the GM in Delhi, Executive Director, and now the CEO.
And the story continues.
And the same also.
Marketing also.
He has he's having complete experience of the different sections of the airlines. Versatile experience. And he has always been a tough boss and a good friend. Unfortunately, you were there only for 2 months as CEO. Had you remained here for 2 years, he would have corrected all of us. So, first of all, let me just invite his old friend to give him a bouquet. Ajao, sir. Sudhir sir, ajao.
Yeah.
Mr. Sudhir Jain, Captain Sudhir Jain, was his batchmate in Patiala. Then both of them were selected as flight engineers in Indian Airlines. One person joined, second person did not join. Sudhir Jain, welcome. So, would you like to speak something?
Only I think can say is he is from the day one, he is very sincere and real friend.
Okay, can I invite the now
Thank you.
incoming CEO to offer a bouquet to the
So now who is going to give bouquet to whom we done?
So would you like to say something?
Yes. Sir Mansur is a very good friend of mine. And really he is showing a lot of sincerity. As you said, very tough boss. Even as the ED Airlines, he troubled me a lot. But again, he is having such a good TR. When you go anywhere and everywhere, he'll be having some persons. And maintaining seniority is mine. Next 10 years, who is going to go where? I was trying to do something, but he's just watched me in that also. He knows each and every person, when he's going to retire, when he's going to get promotion, or other things. And as a CEO, as you said, yes, he tried his level best, but 2 months is too short a time. Still, he's putting something on the track. I will try to continue the same path. So that he just put AASL in a better position. I wish you best of luck, a happy retired life, and probably to join back with us sometime in some capacity. Thank you.
So can I invite Ram Kripal ji to give him a small gift? a golden gift.
गोल्डन गिफ्ट
Yeah, Soling.
कितने वेट
So,
का है? कितने कैरेट का है?
24 कैरेट का, 24 कैरेट का।
लाल कैरेट सोना महंगा होगा देख लेना बाद में टेस्टिंग कराएंगे
हाँ। Sir, will you like to speak?
बहुत शुरू से जानता था जेठ साहब थे मैं जेठ साहब ने तो बहुत कम टाइम के लिए काम किया उस समय हमारे एक लिकर साहब थे उस समय शायद बंसल साहब ऊपर हम उनसे बहुत कम मुलाकात होती है क्योंकि हम लोगों जीवन से इंट्रैक्शन था या मीनाक्षी हम लोगों से होता था लेकिन ये रिप्यूटेशन ये की थी कि जो काम में ये लग जाते थे बहुत मेहनती थे हर एक जगह पर जहाँ भी रहते थे हर मेहनती थे काम करते थे और कोशिश इनकी यही रहती थी हर एक चीज को मतलब रूल ही साथ में फॉलो रही बात जैसे आप टर्बुलेंस जनरेट होती है वो सीन टर्बुलेंस जो जनरेट होकर के पहले से एग्जिस्ट करती है तो उनके टाइम के पीछे की जो टर्बुलेंस होती है उसको सुधारने में ही इतना टाइम लग जाता है तो उनको कहीं ना कहीं बनना पड़ता है तो कई बार लोगों के दिल में ये आता है कि ये बंदा जो है जब ये कुर्सी चेंज होती है इतना रफ एंड टफ क्यों हो जाता है उसका कारण ये था बैक के जो प्रोसीजर रहते हैं कुछ ना कुछ टर्बुलेंस पैदा करते थे उस टर्बुलेंस को पैदा करने का स्ट्रीमलाइन करने के लिए रफ एंड टफ होना पड़ता है लेकिन उनके दिल में हमेशा ये रहता है कि जो मैं रफ एंड टफ किया था लेकिन वो कंपनी के लिए हित में किया किसी इंसान के लिए नहीं किया तो ऐसे इंसान तब मिलेंगे कि वो रफ एंड टफ हुए लेकिन वो कंपनी के लिए लिए किसी की अहित करने के लिए नहीं है शायद कई लोगों के दिल में हो कि अहित करने के लिए ऐसे कैसे दूसरा जैसे आप लोग बोले कहाँ से आपने स्टार्ट किया कहाँ से एंड किया आप समझ सकते हो कि जब इस लेवल से उस लेवल तक पहुंचने के लिए जो बंदा पहुंचा है तो बहुत सी चीजें प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस एक ऐसी चीज होती है प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस देखिए आप 100 बार वो चीज को देखोगे तो आप आंख बंद करके भी डिसीजन ले सकते हो बंसल साहब ने जैसे आपने बताया वायुदूत में काम किया इसके बाद जट साहब ने किया लाइन मेंटेनेंस किया जीएम इधर रहे तो इतनी टर्बुलेंस देखे तो वो टर्बुलेंस झेलते हुए जब उन्होंने प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस किया एक्सपीरियंस बेस पे उनको डिसीजन लेने में दिक्कत इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि वो चीज़ को प्रैक्टिकली किया कुछ लोग थेरी होती है थेरी पार्ट वालों को टाइम लगता है लेकिन प्रैक्टिकल वालों को प्रैक्टिकली दे रहे तो उसको आपके पास सारे क्वेश्चन के आंसर होते हैं तो जो ये सबसे बहुत अच्छी बात ये है कि रफ एंड टफ वो बनना नहीं चाहते थे लेकिन सिचुएशन ऐसे बना दी गई है कि रफ एंड टफ उनको होना पड़ा लेकिन ये है कि वो जो अंदर थे वो बाहर थे तो ये जो इंसान में कबियत है वो बहुत अच्छी बात है जो अंदर है बाहर है मैं उस चीज़ को बहुत अच्छा मानता हूँ कि कम से कम ये पता तो चलता है कि ये जो सामने है वो अंदर भी है और टफ क्यों है वो पीछे के टर्बुलेंस उस टर्बुलेंस में कोई भी जज हो जाएगा तो इस तरीके से और रही बात बंसल जी जहाँ भी रहे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में माने बहुत अच्छा रीजन में मैंने देखा यहाँ भी देखा मैक्सिमम उन्होंने कोशिश करी स्कीम करने के लिए जितना उनके हाथ में थे मैक्सिमम से मैक्सिमम जहाँ जरूरत पड़ी वो कभी भी किसी से डरे नहीं कि मेरे जो सीनियर है जूनियर है या हाई है जो अपनी बात रखती है रख दिया कई लोग क्या करते हैं सीनियर आदमी क्या इसलिए नहीं बोलेंगे कहीं मेरा काम न बिगड़ जाए लेकिन उनके साथ ये भी था अच्छा ही वो सीनियर से भी कोई काम करने की लड़ने की क्षमता थी वो लड़ जाते थे लड़ जाते थे जो करना होता वो ऐसी करते अल्टीमेटली वो अपना काम करा लेते थे भाई उसका इसको गुड करना उसने कंपनी के लिए बहुत अच्छा है और बाकी उनकी सेहत आप देख ही सकते हैं उनकी एहतियाती कम्युनिटी के लिए आज स्टैंड कर रहे हैं नेक्स्ट जो है इतना अच्छा काम किया बट नेचुरली जो अच्छा इतना काम किया है उसकी पोटेंशियल की यूज करने के लिए मिलनी चाहिए अच्छी बात है उसका स्वागत करते हैं जल्दी से जल्दी आए और सेहत तो आप देखिए बढ़िया फैसला से कोई दिक्कत नहीं है बाकी तो हम बंसल साहब के पड़ोस में ही है
I work as a GM within overall as a ED airline. I am having much of contact with him. He was giving me right directions for doing the things. And after he has become CEO, we have very little interaction more than what he was in the ED airline. But his guidance are always useful for me. And I wish him for happy day life.
I take this opportunity also to congratulate congratulate Mr. Jawaharlal in advance. He will be welcoming ED tomorrow.
No, he is already,
No,
letter is already out.
Joining the club, joining the club. आज बने नहीं, He's still like, he may refuse. He may refuse. नहीं, वही तो I was still hoping that he may refuse.
He is anyway officiating.
Sir, would you like to say something?
I started interacting with Mr. Bansal since he was Northern Region GM during various interview panels. And I found his approach very methodological, very systematic, and I am not that systematic. And especially I would like to mention about the SCSF things. Like he's from Indian, I know very little about Indian, and he's not from avionics, so I thought he would struggle to know about this avionics thing, especially this SCSF. But to everyone's surprise, during all the meetings with CMD and all, he has amazingly picked up all the things about avionics, right from encryption to internet to gateway solution to IFE to PTU, everything. And the point I'm trying to make is that he picks up things very fast. And sometimes I've seen him without paper, he's talking about like why we are looking at maybe Vayu Bhavan gateway solution, or why we are not going for the encryption, what is the issue. Hats off, and I really wish him well, and I hope he joins back. So, thank you, sir.
Anyone else, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah.
अरुण सर के साथ मुझे काम करने का तो बहुत दिन से मौका मिला और जब ये डेस्कटॉप में थे तब से ही अच्छी तरह यहाँ पर 1989 से था और उस समय जब बोइंग 737 का 200 का रूटीन हुआ करता था वन ऑफ द कंटेंट और BSI आपको पता होगा सर। तो उसमें उसका इतने बड़े कंस्टेंट होते थे कि उनके BSI के बिना ये चीज़ हो नहीं सकता। ही इज एक्सपर्ट इन दैट फील्ड।
Not sure, huh?
हाँ,
Five
not
six,
sure.
567,
not sure, 5425.
Well,
Very famous has been.
final one.
तो इतना बड़ा कंसेंट होता था कि उस ले वगैरह जाते थे शायद वो एक जा नहीं पाता था तो ये बहुत अच्छी और जब ये हेडक्वार्टर आए सर हेडक्वार्टर में तो खैर इनका सबसे बेस्ट क्वालिटी ये है सर कि इतनी अच्छी इंटरेक्शन है मतलब टॉप लेवल के लोगों से और ये थोड़ा भी नहीं शर्माते हैं जूनियर लेवल के लोगों से भी बात करते हैं। अगर जहाँ जो भी काम करना होता है तो उसके डेस्क पे चले जाते हैं और सीनियर लेवल में इवन CMD DF और CD वगैरह से भी सारे काम करवा के लेकर आ जाते हैं। सर ये करवा के ले आओ ये काम जल्दी हो जाएगा तो ये चीज़ हो जाएगी। और एक बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट हुआ है कि समय में डेफिनेटली हम लोगों की टीम बहुत थी तो जो करीबन 22 A320 फैमिली एयरक्राफ्ट जिसमें 12 A321 and 10 319 एयरक्राफ्ट ये का फाइनेंशियल लीज था टोटल का टोटल एयरक्राफ्ट था ट्रांसफर ऑफ टाइटल इन द नेम ऑफ इन्वॉल्वमेंट तो सारे विदाउट एनी डिले और एक और जब अभी लेटेस्ट वाला था सीरा चार्ली अल्फा का लीज रिटर्न में आई थिंक ही विल से हिमसेल्फ कि इतना अच्छा काम हुआ था तो इनके और DF दोनों ने यहाँ से कोऑर्डिनेट किया था एंड आई वाज द टीम लीडर तो दिस एयरक्राफ्ट वाज रिटर्न एट नो कॉस्ट एट रीडिलीवरी लोकेशन जो कि बहुत ही कम होता है। डिलीवरी लोकेशन हम लोग करीबन 1.5 करोड़ रुपये का बजट था बट इनका और DF का प्लस टीम कोऑर्डिनेशन की वजह से $1 में भी क्रेडिट गोज टू ऑल द टीम स्पेशली तो कई इतना ही नहीं बल्कि बहुत सारे काम अच्छे अच्छे हुए हैं इसी की वजह से मैं होप करता हूँ कि शायद दोबारा इनको मौका मिलेगा किसी न किसी कैपेसिटी में एविएशन से तो जुड़े ही रहेंगे मैं सबके अच्छे रिटायरमेंट लाइफ की शुभकामनाएं करता हूँ।
Thank you.
Sir, anyone else, sir?
सर मैंने कभी काम नहीं किया मतलब डायरेक्टली बिकॉज ही वाज ऑलवेज इन 145 एंड आई वाज ऑलवेज इन कार तो इतना इंटरेक्शन रहता था कि ये गलती हो गई है जी आपसे ठीक करवा लो तो बहुत खैर प्रॉम्प्ट रहते थे एंड एक रिलेशनशिप मतलब वर्किंग रिलेशनशिप नहीं था, वो जैसे होता है ना बन फ्रॉम कार एम का, जैसे लोग फील करते हैं कि वो रिलेशनशिप हो रहा था। तो जब 1 अगस्त को एबी कर ऑल्सो रिटायर हुए एंड ही केम टू कार एम, I was so amazed at his positive attitudes towards the camo and car and functions, which I never realized when he was GM Northern Region. और grasping power, मतलब हम कुछ बोलते हैं इनको पहले समझ आता, and he used to guide us, and I am really thankful that as ED airline, he was supported to the whole car camo functions. Really thankful, sir.
Even I have worked with him for the last 10 months, and I would like to add that I have learned a lot from him. And his PR and his command is really excellent. I mean, he has got excellent relationship in the whole of headquarters with everybody. And the way he commands things, it may be wide body, narrow body, shops or anywhere, I have never heard any refusal to him, you know. And I am going to miss him. We had some lovely times and I really learned from him a lot. So I wish you all the very best, and I hope that in some capacity you will definitely come back. Thank you so much.
Few words and a song. Few words and a song.
एक thing I observed is किसी के जाने से कुछ भी रुकावट नहीं जा रहा हो रहे, सब चलते रहते हैं, no problem. God, nature, time, organization as a system, society as a system, ensure things are standing before you. You have to pick up and use. Only some days थोड़ा सा mindset change करना है, थोड़ा proactive करना है, but everything is there. ये background में मैं recently एक हिंदी गाना सुना, बहुत पुराना गाना था. इसमें 2 lines are very profound meaning with respect to this aspect of the life. Rest of these lines are very meaningful to our friendship life, our love life, part of it. कल खेल में हम हो न हो, गर्दिश में तारे रहेंगे सदा. कल खेल में हम हो न हो, गर्दिश में तारे रहेंगे सदा. फूलेंगे तुम, फूलेंगे वो, और हम तुम्हारे रहेंगे सदा.
Decades with Bansal Saab. My association with him actually is of a little less than 6 months. That is why. And Sharad Bhai, you gave a intro of his glorious past in Air India, Indian Lines and Vaidut. So it was news to me. And what I find is that when you are on a chair as high as CEO or ED, you earn a lot of respect as subordinates or as colleagues, but you don't earn friends. And what I find is that Mr. Bansal is a very rich person. He has a lot of real friends. And in that very short period of 6 months, I also feel like a friend to him. A friend is whom you can keep relationship beyond your office contacts. You can keep contact after he's no more in office or he's no more working, he's home. You can talk to him when he's 60 or 68 or 78. So he's that kind of a person. I mean, like, he supported me not only professionally but emotionally also. I mean, like, it was always a pleasure to sit with him, have a cup of tea when he was ED in chemo. CEO wala period to has been a very, like, I mean, just came and went off, pata hi nahi laga. 2 months was too small. So sir, I wish you all the best, and I think you will keep the same relationship whether you are part of the company or not. You are part of our larger picture. So all the best to you along with your family. All the best.
Actually, I don't like to give a farewell bid to anybody because I normally try to develop.
Because settlement करना पड़ता है.
No, not from that reason, because normally whenever I develop a relation with anybody, I don't restrict the relationship, I maintain my relation forever. So it is not that we bid a farewell to anybody, it is just somebody supervaluating, but relationship is forever. But as far as Mr. Bansal is concerned, I have seen totally his 4 goals in a short span of 2 years and 9 months to be precise. I started with GM Western Region, then GM Marketing, the ED Airlines and CEO. And I'm yet to eagerly looking for his 5th role. I don't know in what capacity and all that. It may be as a retired person or it may be anything else. But whenever I have seen it, I have seen his adaptability wherever he has been sitting, and he is a wonderful person and knows the subject thoroughly. Another goal which I have seen is wherever he was, he worked as also a recovery agent for us. So that also goes well with him.
We can hire him then.
I can. Yeah, we. So सीधे तरह मान जाए तो ठीक है, otherwise पैसे भी निकाल लें. So wherever he was in all his last 4 roles, apart from all those things, he helped us a lot for whether it is to get the business, whether to get the money, and always a concern and the future of the company. So I wish him a very healthy and happy retired life, and this is the best time to get retired. I don't know, he is retiring from our company, and I don't know from where we will retire. We don't even know that. And I'm sure later or sooner final settlement will come, but for us it is a question mark still. Anyway, thank you and best wishes to you, Mr. Bansal, and at the same time, welcome back to Delhi, Mr. Senthil, and congratulations and best wishes for the higher responsibilities. Thank you.
Okay, sir. So with that, can I invite you, sir, to say a few words?
Thank you very much. We have one of the respected person sitting here. A lot of things have been said about me, and I don't know whether I deserve with that or not. One thing that I really worked with the concept of we, not with the I. One thing what is there in the mind, you have to choose your goal first. And when you choose your goal, you have to achieve that goal. And how to achieve that goal? That is with the we concept, you can achieve that. Because the I concept remains a very different, and when you work as a team, you have to push the team. The correction has to be there in the team. Yes, I have worked in the different roles. Only thing is that when I was out of that shop, I never felt that I was down or something like that. I stood up like anything and then worked hard, and the area which I worked around 30 years back, I had to work in that. A lot of things I learned from there, and working in Indian overall and maintenance is a very, very different concept. Of course, the different capacity. And whenever I have chosen a goal, I have not done anything wonder. No wonder has been done by me. It is the we or you people who have done the work. Because ultimately the work was done by the down the line people, whether as a GM I was there, or as the ED, only the GM, then down the line, even a helper has contributed in that. That is why whatever we could achieve with that. That is the only thing it is in the mind. With that concept I have. We keep on achieving in the organization, not to mention all these things because the organization keeps on going. people keep on achieving all the things. Only the concept should remain. The basic concept always remains. The basic is always remains. They never die. And I thank you for your all support. And one thing is I would like to mention that a very ambitious project during my tenure I have started, which is in a very, very initial phase. It's a land at Noida International Airport. I have started this project. I'll expect my successor should take it forward. I have a meeting with the CEOs of the Yamuna Express Development Authority and the CEO of the Noida International, and they are very, very positive. They were delighted that at least somebody has approached us. And UP government is ready to give us land in the month of April only. And Noida International Airport, they are ready. You bring your project report and all, everything. They are really supporting us. That's a new project started during just 15 days back only. Because one day I was going in car and it struck in my mind, why not to have a land for the MRO facility? And to UP government, we were the first person to approach. Because there will be 2 MROs at the Noida International Port. One by the government of UP, another by the Noida International. So with the future lies there, now we have to think ahead what is going to happen after 10 years. Regarding this AISL, yes, the future is bright, but with a question mark. I am speaking from my heart. We should have a CEO or sitting at the position who has a vision and have to take some drastic step within 1 year. Because with the privatization of the Air India and the captive workload, we have to stand in the market. The projects, 3 projects right now going, whether it's a marketing third party, the DRDO project and the SCSF project. There is a lot of potential in this. We'll have to change some attitude, because I have worked with Air Force for 30 years on 737. They are really, we have a well-clean house and we can really make the money. And we don't have to beg to you give us the money, nothing. You raise the bill, you get money, everything. The SCSF project is going to save us. The DRDO project is going to save, whether then if Air India gets privatized and we may get, let's say, 40% of the share, present what we are earning from Air India. So these 2 projects run, and we have to do a lot of marketing. There is a lot of potential in the market, but we are not really able to tap the market. Lot of potential. MRO has, government is supporting us, present government is supporting us, ministry is supporting us. But only thing is we have to, I'm really sorry to say that attitude and all, but we'll really, because I have, in my capacity as a GM, ED and marketing, I have worked with every airline. There are a lot of changes in our attitude we have done, but needs more change. Because when you go to market, you learn a lot of things. I have not learned anything when I went to the market. People told me how to do things. In 8 hours of job we do it for 10 hours. Hardly we are working for half an hour. 7.5 hours we are learning only. In the schools, we used to pay money to learn, whereas in the job we take money and learn the job. Now a lot of young people are here. I wish all the best for all the people. And thank you very much for your support and the honor and love you have given me today also and during my tenure. I am really thankful for my work. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir. So, thanks a lot, sir. And we wish you all very, very happy, healthy, and retired. And look forward to be working with you again. So, thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. Thanks, thank you.
Thank you.
सर अभी कुछ जलपान का अरेंजमेंट किया हुआ है।
यही में
हाँ जी, यहीं पे सर। हाँ।
आपके पड़ोस का ही है सर, आपके पड़ोस का ही है, बता दिया।
चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए। चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए। मिलन की मस्ती भरी आँखों में, हजारों सपने सुहाने लिए हो। चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए।